It was late at night, too quiet. The only thing I could hear was the faint ticking of my alarm clock. I thought I was safe in my bed, sleeping soundly. But then, something woke me up. Something horrible. And then, I woke up, gasping for air, clutching my chest. It felt so real, but it had to be just a dream, right? I tried to shake it off, telling myself it was nothing. But then, I heard it. The sound of my closet door creaking open. I thought maybe I was imagining things. Maybe I was still dreaming. But then, I felt it. Something touched me.